Okay, so some of the old implementation, or old notes, okay, that I have, okay. So here, what is it? This is about some of the selected topics that I chosen. We talk about HTML5. Some topics that supposed to be now is supposed to be something easier to understand because you may be using it, okay. So I will talk about storage part, okay, a few about storage part. And HTML5 can tackle SOP by a particular core, okay. And last we will talk about a few things about the WebSocket. I will skip because we are already using it, okay. The web worker, how to start a new thread, okay. And I want you to write the program now, and it's about a web worker. You tell me what will happen, okay. So this program looks like this. I launch JS Fiddle. Okay. So it's time for you to test your knowledge in writing JavaScript. Okay. I don't know how many of you have encountered this when you are writing your assignment. Now let's go. So what I'm going to do, let's say I have a pre here. The ID pre is not good enough. Let's say a div. Okay. The style is with let's say 100 times 100. Okay. With height 100 pixel. Let's set a border so that you can see it. Border. If I type something wrong, tell me. Solid black. Okay. Yeah? I miss anything? Tell me if I miss anything. So run. No problem. Okay. So add ID. I call it display. Okay. So what I'm going to do? Something easy first. Document.getElement by ID, which is display. Then add event listener. Right? Something that you should know. Add event listener. I add the click listener and function whatever window dot alert hi. Okay. Yeah, I know you're feeling now. Okay. Tomorrow, or not tomorrow, the day after tomorrow is some hi day. I know. Okay. The day after tomorrow, if you have tomorrow. Okay. So maybe this part is ugly. Okay, so I make it like this, nicer. All right. So this is the thing. Now you tell me what will happen if I do this. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Yeah. Tell me what will happen if I start this code and I click on the box. Okay, I run first. Okay, you may have an answer in your mind. I run first. Now it is running. I click. No problem, right? No problem. Why is no problem? Okay, well, 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't display too much. How can I make it display? Okay. Yeah, I know. But it's out of control. Stop. You cheat me. Okay. Yeah, again. Reload. Shoot. I don't have. Okay. Q, but I have to write it again. I forget to save it. Okay. Wait. It run again. Back. Okay, so do you know what I'm going to show you? Yeah, what I'm going to show you is first, I set up an event listener. Okay? then I kickstart some busy looping. And during the busy looping is still loop, can you receive the event click? Can you? Kill it. Okay. Let's close it. We open it. Can you? What do you think? What do you think? Now I don't have the code, but I can go through it roughly together with you. In C, you never experience this, right? Because C don't have asynchronous thing. Let's find the closest neighbor. Maybe Freddy, okay? With Freddy, we have a friend, okay? So the friend is going to wait for your click, okay? Then another friend is executing the loop, okay? So once you click, you will drive friend A to execute the event listener. Thread B still looping. But how about JavaScript? JavaScript is well known to have implementation, Node.js, single thread. Okay? Yeah. Node.js is known to be a single threaded and not just Node.js browser. It's single threaded. Okay? So I suppose that I can show it, but yeah, there's just blocked there. I'm being cheated. Okay, so later on I can show you the program. I can write another program using timeouts and fire a busy loop. And while you're doing a busy loop, you cannot receive any clicks. Okay, so it's not really multi-threaded. Okay, now if you understand that, then you can imagine why writing Node.js program is like so difficult. You have to set up so many callbacks and just let the main flow execute from top to the end, and just let all the callbacks to reply, okay, as a reply to you. It's because it's single threaded, okay? Or I can describe the whole Node.js or JavaScript engine as an interrupt-based program. If you interrupt, you handle it. If you interrupt, you handle it. Before you set up all the interrupt handling routine, okay? Now this is the way, and this is the way that even Nintendo and all kinds of old gaming platform is writing program. Okay, it's but not about the focus of this. It's about the focus of why we have web worker. Okay, so let's talk about this guy. Okay, this guy may be not very useful to you, particularly the session storage, the WebDB. Okay, I still cannot find any useful application that in the web is using WebDB, but I find many people using local storage and offline application cache.
今日發現咗一個 WebDB offline 嘅 documentation。
Where?
Dev.io。
Oh, Dev.io is great. Dev.io is great. Okay. So yeah. So this is the storage type. Okay. So the storage type first is the session storage. I don't want to show the session storage yet. I want to ask you for some questions. Okay. First of all, how many of you have used local storage before? Only you. By FIP. No. You. How about others? Never heard of it? Raise up your hand. Never heard of it. Good. Now how can I explain to you? Which sites use local storage? Let me check whether Google uses it. Huh? What? Let me check Google whether Google uses it. Okay. Local storage. Okay. Never heard of this. Resource. Okay. So we go to the resource. Then go to this bunch of things. This HTML5 enabled storage. We have cookies as an old guy. Local storage. What are they? Why? Don't take any photos. I will delete this recording, or I will log out. Okay. Well, what are they? I don't know. Yeah, forget about this. Okay. How about this? What are they? Okay, forget about this. Now let's take a look at another site. This site. Do you know that I use local storage? No one knows. No one cares. Because no one go there, right? Local storage. Okay, then this debug flag. Okay, for myself to debug. I set up the debug flag. If I turn it on, okay, I can show the debug things. Okay, there is an array. Okay, and what is the array? The array is so stupid. Okay, I remember your. Do you remember the lecture page has some fold up weeks like this? Okay. Yeah, I just remember which one is open, which one is closed. Oh, okay, thank you. Okay, so I collapse all. Yeah, you can fold it up. Okay, so you can take a look at the local storage as well. Local storage. This one 4140. Then will all be false. Okay, suppose. Okay, I cannot show it entirely here. So you can see all are false. Okay, when I change this, okay, and choose expand all, okay, then no, okay, then you will see the local storage change. Okay, so what is local storage basically? It's about there is a bunch of new type of storage, which is not for a page first of all. Okay, local storage is not for a page; it's for an entire domain. So what can you see in my example? My example can see the 4140 local storage. Can also see because my site also hosts a 3150 web page. You can see 3150 local storage. Okay, and the session storage is different. It's tape by tape storage. Okay, and later on I will show you some even crazy idea in using local storage. Okay, let's say some web. Okay, I should not say mobile site, okay, but some sites really want to save the bandwidth for the client, okay. It will even save images into the local storage. Save an image in the local storage, okay. Yeah, if you already know what is local storage, okay, you can think for a while. How can you save an image inside local storage? Later I will tell you, okay. So for the database, you just can use a select from where, okay? Select from where, update, okay, and to control. Now this is more interesting. There is a cache, okay, inside every it's not page, okay? There is a config file for each website or each web, maybe app, okay? You can create a config file, and configuration file contains what are the things that you want to cache, so that even though you are using a cell phone, I don't know, you go to some strange MTR station, no network coverage, yeah, you know, some really no network coverage, then you can still work on that site because everything is cached based on your command. Okay, so here we go. Usually the session storage is not very useful because it's always for form filling. Okay. Yeah, you can say that you want to fill in some form, okay, it's filling something, go on with a Hong Kong ID here, but you don't want to proceed, you want to go back, click a button, go back, and it will save in no session storage under your commands. It used to implement by cookies. Nowadays it's session storage. So the code is like this. Yeah, someone is messaging it. Okay. So the session storage, okay, so I just have a page 1 and page 2, okay. So let's say name is TY Wong, okay, ID is XX88, okay. Then when we go back, it will even consider it's a real password, okay. So you receive something like this. Now, how is it possible? It's very easy. What I'm doing is get all the data saved inside the session storage, okay? The session storage is like this. It's called session storage. If you want to save it, it's only support string. It's only support string, okay? Now, that's why I asked you a question. How can you save an image inside local storage? Yeah. Can you stringify an image?
Yes.
How?
Base 64.
Good, very good. Base 64. Data URL. Okay. Yeah, you never heard of data URL? Don't worry, I can demonstrate it. Okay. I want to try some risky sites. Okay. First, go to Facebook. Yeah? Facebook. Anyone think that you have a friend with a profile pic which is not him or her? Like a no. I want someone that can be searched. It's searchable. Let's say a beautiful woman, but that's supposed to be a man. Yeah, some fake profile pic. Myth? It's true that no, you don't know any friend like that. How come? How come you have so small friend group? Huh? No one. Okay, let me check my friend request. Okay, yeah, those guys I don't know. Okay, I just put it there. Okay, maybe this one. This one. This one must not be him, huh? Okay, so what I'm going to do? Right click, search in Google with this image. Now, don't focus as the results. Focus as the URL. When I click it, take a look at the URL. Okay, so I will zoom in. Don't worry, huh? Zoom in the URL. Okay. Click. Can you see what it is? Can you see what it is? Yeah, you find something like this. Okay. Again, huh? Take a look again at the URL. Some data. You can embed data in URL and yeah, do something interesting. Okay. The interesting thing doesn't stop like this. Okay. There are many other things like I share a piece of news. Okay, back in 2013. I spent half an hour to dig that out. Okay. So what is that? It actually can turn your browser into a notepad. What is that? Let's take a look. You can try. Do it together. Data URL, we call it. Okay. Have a data URL. Okay. And the data URL begin with HTML content editable. Okay. And don't worry, it won't crash your browser. Okay. Yeah. Okay. If you're really worried, use this. Okay. Enter. I go to school by bus, by train. Okay. Okay. You don't want it, delete it. Okay. Can I bold it? Yeah. Can I underline, italic, underline? Underline don't work. Okay. H1, of course not. Yeah, because it's a kind of editable stuff like this. It seems it's funny, using the data URL. Okay. So later on, I will use this data URL to try to save images in your local storage, and then you understand that hey, actually with this kind of support, what you are doing, you can actually save us a sprite. Okay, you have a web page. You don't want your client to know you load the sprite with a long duration. You first load it, convert it into data URL, or even the server already converted in data URL and send to your site. You save it under local storage. When it's needed, load it. Yeah. You never think of this kind of application, huh? Okay. So this is section storage. The code you already see it. Okay. Basically, it's very simple stuff. Some people use it in the form filling. I don't use it, but just to recommend you to take a look because it's kind of easy to manage. You don't have to manage its expiration. It's expired once you close the tab. Okay, it's better than cookies. Cookies you have to clean this up, expire it. Now you close the tab, it's gone. So this is storage type number 1. Storage type number 2. Okay, this is storage. Local storage. Local storage is better. There is no expiration for local storage. Once you save it, it will be permanently saved in your browser. Okay, and you can see it. I can convert something. Okay, let's say the Google search, image search plugin. It converts the data that you want to search become a URL, data URL string. Okay, and then send it to the server. Okay. That means that I can even do the same thing and save it there. But there is a tricky part. What is the tricky part? Okay, it's not I said it. Let's ask Google for one stuff. Ask Google for local storage size. You want to save it, okay? If there is no size limit, then I will save an MP3 there. Okay, just translate it, okay, save MP3. Maybe next time I save a PDF there, right? Now, guess what is the size? Yeah, Google already tell you 5 MB, 5 megabyte. For what? For a page? For the entire domain. For the entire domain, 5 megabyte. Now there is a funny attack. What is a funny attack? Okay, we are all in CSD department, right? That means that whenever you host a page, we will share the same domain. Every time you visit my page, I feed 4 megabyte of data to your local storage data. And to render other people's page useless. A 4 megabyte is already being kind to you. Okay? I can chop it off into many pieces. Okay? Each piece is 100K. Make sure that I fill up all the remaining space for that domain. Okay? Now, this is something really interesting. Local storage have a size. Okay, but where can you find a local storage usage? Okay, so local storage usage is just like what I have done in JSPDO. I'm doing the typing. Actually, you sense the type, right? Because you can register the key press event. Once you press it, then you can save it. So I guess some of the places like maybe I show you some hidden system that I'm using. Not hidden, okay? Something your class didn't see it, okay? You never see this before. Look at the domain. You never see this before. So do you know what it is? Okay, this one. Okay, so yeah, this is our new versions of ENGG 110 coding area. Yeah, new coding area right in Markdown. Okay, everything is written in AngularJS. Okay, so we actually save this bunch of things into a place. Let's inspect it. Okay, resource, local storage. See, all the assignments that you have done. Can you see it? Yeah, this is the problem. We cannot have too many assignments, okay? If we have too much assignments, then we'll reach the 5 megabyte limit. But don't worry, the domain is maintained by me, okay? I control. I make sure that it won't go into 5 megabyte, okay? But those students don't know about this, okay? Don't tell them. Don't tell them. They can actually steal other people's work. Okay, how? Do you know how to steal other people's work? Very easy. Yeah, this is the security problem when you're using local storage. Logout. Inspect. Dun-dun. Wow. Huh? Yeah. I told my engineer Leo about this. Yeah, no. Leo still don't know about this. Okay. No, it's only mine. It's only mine. Yeah, but that means that you cannot borrow. Okay, you can borrow. Okay, you cannot lend your laptop to other people. Yeah, you cannot lend the laptop to other people. Actually, we save all things in local storage. And this is the problem about local storage. Local storage have no protection. Once you do something, it will save to a local area. And of course, you lock the screen, then I cannot have any method. But it's not locked screen, then I can inspect the local storage. There is a security problem when you're using local storage. Okay? Even I log out. Interesting, huh? So how about we save images. Can we save images as well? Yes, we can save images. Very easy. The image is actually just like Elton has said it. We are using what we call a base64 encoding. If you don't like to encode images, you can even save other things like small icons, JS files. You can save a JS file, right? JS file there. And how to execute JS files? Huh? Oh yeah, I forgot to teach this, okay? Let's say you save a JS file, content, inside local storage. How do you execute it? It's very simple. How many of you have seen this call? Eval. Huh? No one has seen this? Huh? Yeah. Alert. Hi. You're really hi lah. Okay, remember, this is a piece of string. It's a string. Okay, execute. This is eval. Now, think about it. When some people say you something, you save it in the local storage. Every time you think that it's time for me to load back it. Okay. Now I read from local storage, eval. That's it. Yes, I know it's kind of dangerous, but it's allowed. Okay, it's allowed. So actually, you can save JS file, even HTML documents, no problem. Just load it using JavaScript, small icons. Okay, but please pay attention that every local storage retrieval and saving must be done by what? Then by what? JavaScript. Okay, and let me introduce to you this guy, Steve Sanders. Okay, this guy is very famous. How many of you have heard of this guy? No one have heard of this guy. This guy is very famous. Okay, Steve Sanders books. Okay, he write 2 books. Okay, as well as one very famous library, which is published by Yahoo. It's called YSlow. Yeah, I have both. Okay, YSlow. No one have heard of this? YSlow npm. Yeah, here's a package for you to understand why your page is slow. Okay, and that Y doesn't stand for WHY. It stands for Yahoo. it's from Yahoo. Okay, so it's called YSlow. Yeah, really? I didn't lie to you. Okay, this guy is from Yahoo. Okay, so this guy is very famous, and let's take a look at what this guy has found out back in 2011. Okay, back in 2011, what were you doing in 2011? You come in at 2012. Yeah. Okay, so how many of you have cell phone already at that moment of time? So you already have cell phone, right? Cell phone. Not cell phone. Smartphone. Okay, smartphone. Okay. By that time, I have my first smartphone at around 2009 something. 2009. So why I talk about this is talk about the smartphone browser, how Bing and Google make use of the local storage. Okay, so let's take a look. So this is what he found in the local storage. Okay, in the local storage, what can you see? JavaScript code. Yeah, JavaScript code saved inside local storage. Okay, Google local storage. Script, okay, or a script saved in Google local storage, okay. Some contains even images. Let me see, image. Oops, sorry, image. Yeah, see, some even contain images inside local storage. Okay, yeah. Look at here. Another surprise of last week's survey was the mobile version of Google Search has 68 images. Okay. I don't know whether we can still review it, okay? But if you have a chance, you can review it. You will find all the sprite images, okay, of our Google search page, okay? But I don't know whether it's still be useful nowadays, okay? Because nowadays the network is so fast, okay? But back in my time, okay, not everyone even have the data plan, okay? Then you need local storage for the assistant. Now, how to do it? It's very easy. Very easy. If you are given a data URL images, first of all, you don't know how to convert it. Later I will tell you. Let's say you have that. So if it's JS file, easy. Just create it, okay, and create a script tag. You can use eval. If you don't want to use eval, you can just treat this as an HTML document in the HTML and feed in the entire JavaScript code. Second, you can use the image. You create an image tag and use the local storage get item out. And what can you do next is to append it, and then it's immediately work. Okay. So how can you generate it? I use PHP as an example. Very easy. You just read the entire data in the buffer, in the image data from in the buffer. Then use the base 64 encoding with a prefix. The prefix is this. You know that this is supposed to be PNG, okay, and like this. Now, what I'm going to do next, I will show you an example. Okay, not this. The example is display HTML. Okay, so this is a ugly face. Okay, this is the best figure I can draw. Okay, yeah, I have a category of this. Okay, so here let's take a look at the local storage. Yeah, take a look at local storage. So what is this data URL? There's a data URL, and when I copy it and paste it here, enter. Yeah, it's this guy. Okay, it's this guy. So what's the mean is I really can manipulate it, okay, and control your flow. Let's say I control the flow is like this, based on the HTML, the JS here. If I found that there is a local storage get item require you to put a key there. The key is a string, and you just like the key value storage. Okay, you put a key there. Okay, and if the key return you undefined or null, okay, then I can't remember undefined or null. Then it means that the local storage doesn't have that figure. So you can just download it and download the string and use the string, save it there using the set item call. Okay, so this is how to have some realistic deployment and really interesting. Okay, I would say this really interesting. And maybe from now on you can start looking at some sites, local storage. What are the things that you are being injected? Okay, or even the CSD domain. Let me try. Okay, I don't know. Let me try. How many naughty guys have inject things? Yeah, forbidden. www. Okay. Let's go to department. I don't know whether department has any sites injected local storage. Let's take a look. Inspect element. Hey, why? Oh, here. Resource. Local storage. No. Yeah, our department is kind of a low tech. Okay. I don't know about. Huh? Oh, that's also okay. Using the campus. Yes, low tech. Okay. Or maybe you can also take a look at IE department, so on and so forth. Because I know IE department is using Drupal. You don't know? You know IE department is using Drupal? Okay. They just hide it. They just hide it. Cannot see it. Okay. Maybe they have. I know they use CMS. They use CMS because the one who provided CMS, I know her. Yeah, no. Okay. Yeah, forget about it. Okay. So there are some realistic deployment that may depend on local storage. Okay. I just show you we can save code, we can save images, and that means that you can save whatever things. But remember, there's only 5 megabytes. Okay. And there's already. Why I cannot click on it? Okay. Oh, here. Okay, so this guy, I don't know whether you still remember him. Okay, this guy John Rizane, something like that. It's not English. Okay. You know what it says, John, jQuery offer. Okay, the jQuery offer. Okay, it's already said some bad things about the local storage, session storage. Okay, it's about a 5 megabyte, another security problem. Okay, if you are interested in it, welcome to take a look. Okay, and remember it's for the entire site. And for me, if I'm doing a design of the page, I will do this. Save some icons, small icons there. All right. So maybe I put the offline application cache next time. It's about setting up some configuration file on your site. We call it manifest file. You set a manifest file, then you can control the local cache. I don't know how many sites have implemented that. Let me try Google. This is Google already. Let's see where they have application cache here. Resource application cache. Yeah, no. Okay, maybe this kind of a few people to use it. Okay, so I will stop here.